Have you ever wondered how GIS predicts rainfall, temperature, or pollution levels in places where no measurements were taken? That's where spatial interpolation comes in. Imagine you place temperature sensors at only 10 locations across a city. You know the temperature at those points. But what about everywhere else? Spatial interpolation uses mathematical models to estimate values between known locations. The basic idea is simple. Things closer together are more similar than things farther apart. GIS takes the known measurements and creates a continuous surface showing estimated values across the entire area. Popular interpolation methods include inverse distance weighting, Kriging, and Spline. For example, meteorologists use interpolation to create rainfall maps, while environmental scientists use it to map air pollution. With it, we can visualize patterns across entire regions. And that's your quick geomatics lesson in under 1 minute. Follow Quick Geomatics for more GIS and geomatics concepts made simple.